Hello friends, if your Instagram story music not working, then follow these steps. First go to the app store. Here is the app store. Yes. If you find any update, then update it. Most probably by updating the Instagram app, the issue will be fixed and you will get the music on your story. And second, check the region of availability. Maybe the music is not available in your region. If still your music not started, then what you have to do, you have to restart the app. So close the app. First close all background apps and then restart it. Restarting the app may fix the issue. If you are still facing the issue, then log out and log in again. You can log out and log in again, and then the story music can be fixed. After that, reopen the app once you log in again and check for the stories. Just see like this. You should check for the music stickers they are available or not. If there is no music sticker, means no music. When creating a story, swipe up to access the sticker tray and make sure the music story is option is available. Otherwise, you can't listen the music. If none of them work, then go to app info, go to storage and cache, and click on the clear cache and clear storage, then restart the app. Most probably your issue will be fixed. If your issue get fixed, then hit the like and subscribe button. And if you still facing the issue and have found any other method to fix the issue, then do comment below to help other users. Bye bye.